Hi guys, today I'm going to do cake challenge with my friends. No oven, no microwave. So let's get started. The ingredients I'll be using 125-gram butter, 125-gram brown sugar, 3 eggs, 200-gram all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon milk, and some salt. And for garnishing I'll be using 300-gram fresh cream, some blueberries, and 50-gram powdered sugar. So here is my blueberry cake. And next I challenge you.
Hi everyone, I'm Satya. So I'm ready for the cake challenge. Here we go. These are the ingredients for caramel bread pudding. I have half a liter of milk, 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread which I've made into crumbs, and 1 tablespoon of custard powder. So our caramel bread pudding cake is ready. Next, I challenge you.
Hi everybody. In today's cake challenge, I'm going to make a no-bake strawberry cheesecake. I have 2 cups graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons sugar, half cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup freshly cut strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup whipped cream, 2 8-ounce packs of cream cheese, half cup of freshly cut strawberries for the garnish, and 1 cup whipped cream for the garnish. And there you have it, a no-bake strawberry cheesecake. And now next, I challenge you.
Hi everybody, I'm Vincy. I accept my cake challenge. Here we go. So today we're gonna make chocolate mini cake. For this recipe, we need chocolate cream biscuits, which I have processed it, 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and some chocolates. So I'm gonna use appam pan to make chocolate mini cake. So here is my chocolate mini cake. So next I challenge you.
Guys, my name is Vinita and today I'm ready for the cake challenge, and my recipe for today is vanilla sponge cake. Let's move on to the ingredients.
So we have maida, milk, baking soda, sugar that's been powdered, oil, salt, and vanilla essence. These are for the making of the cakes, and for garnishing we have a little bit of ghee, cherry, nuts, fresh cream, and chocolate cream. Here's my vanilla sponge cake topped with cream and cherries. Next, I challenge you.
Hi everybody. In today's cake challenge, I'm going to make banana walnut cake without using an oven. So let's get started. For this we need 3 bananas. I have already mashed it. 4 eggs. I have used 4 because it's smaller sized eggs, otherwise 3 should be good. 250 grams of all-purpose flour, around 120 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, around 120 grams of butter, baking powder, and walnuts. I have taken some for the garnish. Here we have a very simple looking but very tasty banana walnut cake. So next I challenge you.
Hello everyone, I'm Lisa Augustine. Well, I'm ready for my cake challenge today. Let's begin. Ingredients: Oreo biscuits, which I need to process, and yes, this is chocolate ganache, and this is 1 cup milk with 1 spoon of baking soda and grated chocolates. There's one more ingredient, that is butter, which Oreo chocolate cake is ready. Now I challenge you. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let us know your thought and which cake recipe you thought would be the best by commenting below. We have mentioned the cake recipe in the description. We had fun making these recipes and hope this video will encourage you also to do the same challenge with your friends or cousins. If you have done this with your friends or cousins, write us on comment and feel free to share your cake challenge video on our channel for all to see and enjoy. Now, please help us by clicking the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We are planning to post new content more often. So the best way to not to miss out on any of it is to click on the notification button. Once again, thank you for watching our cake challenge. Be sensational and be you.